Welcome to my channel. Boost your network with Wavlink HALO Pulse X2 setup. Unbox the stuff. You get 2 little towers, a power brick for each, and an Ethernet cable. Pick the main one. One of them has to be the main unit. Doesn't matter which. Just pick one and plug it in near your modem. Plug the power adapter in. Wait. The LED should start blinking after a bit. If it doesn't, hold the reset button for like 10 seconds. Plug it into your modem. Ethernet cable from modem to WAN port on the main unit. That's it. Download the WavRouter app. It makes the setup easier. It's on iOS and Android. Open the app and follow the prompts. It'll ask you to connect to the HALO Wi-Fi it broadcasts by default. The SSID is usually Wavlink_XXXX. Password is printed under the unit. Create your own Wi-Fi name and password. Set something you'll actually remember. Add the second unit. Plug in the second tower somewhere else in your house. Just power, no cable. It should auto-pair. The app shows if the second node has good or weak signal. Move it closer/further until you're happy. Thanks for watching.